Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video was, I literally just decided to film this video, but basically it's gonna be a mini vlog. I'm going to Florida with a few friends, so yeah. I already got ready, so my friend Carnice is coming to pick me up, and we're gonna go to the beach. So yeah, I'll see you guys when he gets here. I'm with. So now we're on the way out. We're in Bonifay. Only 45 more minutes left in this drive. Carnice is getting gas, and then we'll be on the way back. Not on the way back. We're gonna keep trekking to PCB. So see you guys. Maybe before then. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we came to Dave & Buster's.
Hey vlog, we made it to Dave & Buster's.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Literally.
Hey y'all, it's TWAN, not TWAIN, but A.
Okay. And oh wait, yes. Wait, we're about to take our picture, guys. Okay guys, they just took our pictures. But we're getting ready to eat. You got wet?
Huh?
You want to tell class what you said earlier?
No, that's
okay.
We can leave the past in the past.
Oh, okay.
But hey y'all, hey vlog, so I'm taking over. My name is Jada. I don't have a YouTube, but y'all can follow me on TikTok, JadaHooks33. Thank you. Would you like to say something to the vlog? You keep staring. Big mama, no kids. But Friend really look good in this yellow. Friend over here look good in the yellow. Friend look good in the red. Friend look good in the blue. Oh, we matching though.
We are. Wait, hold on.
Just waiting on my food now. I'm so hungry.
One eternity later.
Got here. I got the barbecue chicken pizza. It had jalapenos, red onions, barbecue sauce, and grilled chicken, and it was so good. As you can see, I was tearing it up. Anyway, yeah, it was really good. In some store, I don't know what it's called. We look cute.
We do.
She's looking for some new shoes. She's so pretty.
I'm looking for a baby. Find me one. Good night, it's Julia. Oh, I'm a fan. Oh.
Jesus Christ, yeah, he is the only one.
I forgot to film us leaving, so basically this is what this is. We were heading back to Alabama. Why my camera look like that? Anyway, we are in Enterprise now. Me and Krenaj are on the way home, but we stopped at McDonald's because we're big bags and we're hungry. But I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll call y'all back. Hey guys, I just made it back home. Gonna take off this makeup and go to bed. Okay.